Hi guys, well, Trains by Perry here, and as predicted, this box showed up on Monday, right after last weekend. It was supposed to be here on Friday, the Friday before, but anyways, it finally showed up. So let's see what we got. As predicted, we have more popcorn. I'll get rid of this. We'll get rid of this. Slide off the cover. And you'll see that Athearn have changed their Genesis boxes. Now they say premium trains on them. And you have all the manuals and whatnot, warranty stuff. And this is what we got. EMD demonstrator number 7002 with the lube thing. Anyways, we'll be seeing this running in a future video. Thanks for watching and have a trainific day.